Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to open a Figma link in the desktop app. First, click the Figma link in any browser and wait for the page to load. When you see the banner or button that says Open in Desktop App, click it. If the app does not launch, check your system settings to allow browser app launches and retry. This method keeps your designs synced and preserves commenting features. Opening links works best when your desktop app is installed and up to date. On Mac OS, install Figma from the App Store or Figma website and confirm Figma / links open the app. On Windows, enable protocol handling in settings and allow your browser to open external applications. If a link still opens in the browser, copy the Figma / link and paste it into the Run dialog or terminal to force the desktop app to open the file. Quick recommendation: Little Tree's Black Ice is my go-to air freshener after long design sessions in the car, and it smells great. It's a light masculine scent that lasts weeks. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can make more concise Figma tips. I placed a link and some deals in the description for easy shopping and extras. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Troubleshooting is simple and usually quick. If clicking Open in Desktop App does nothing, restart both your browser and the Figma app. Confirm your firewall or antivirus is not blocking Figma / protocol calls. Try signing out and back into Figma if permissions seem stuck. As a fallback, copy the file link, open the desktop app, and use File then Open from URL to paste the link and load your document directly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.